Hello guys, welcome to Subhra the Geek. I am your host Subhra. Welcome to the day 6 of Python lecture series where we learn Python fast, free and professionally. So this is the shortest video of my lecture series that learn Python in 7 days. And why this is short, in today's video I'll be discussing about abstraction and encapsulation, and why this is short I'll tell you everything. And guys, first of all, thank you. It's been 1 month since I have started my YouTube journey and I have received 240 subscribers as of now when I'm recording this video. And guys, thank you for that. I would wish some more, and please watch my content. Please make me reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Then I will have some very good news on this channel. There are very good things happening on this channel. Some industry persons also will be having some lecture sections with some industry personnel. So that's it, I said it. Now I'll talk about everything after this intro video. So let's jump onto it. So guys, again we are in our VS code. So Visual Studio Code. So I have written the code again as I do always. And okay, when I do code I decrease the font. Now when I record these videos I increase the font so that you can see the content very visually. And also guys, the things I have been writing over here all in the GitHub pages which I have been linking below. And while you are at getting this contents from the GitHub page, please follow me on my social media handles. The links are given below. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And if you're already a subscriber, please share it with your friends. And all of you, please share it with your friends, your family, so that I can this content reaches the maximum amount of people throughout the world. And guys, as always, on Sundays I post the vlog series. Please watch that too. Now let's jump on to today's session. So today we will be discussing about abstraction and encapsulation. So as I told you last day, one of the 7 concepts of object-oriented programming is abstraction, and another one is encapsulation. So what is abstraction? Abstraction, as I told you earlier, is hiding the unusual details, unimportant details from the user and showing them the content which are required to them. The very basic examples which I gave last day, where number one of a aeroplane flying in the sky. When we see it from the ground, we think, how does the aeroplane fly? And it flies. We see that it flies, and how it flies. Okay, it has some mechanics inside, but the actual mechanics is not known to us. And similarly, while we are driving a car, we press the brake, and the car stops. And how it stops, the actual mechanic is again not known to us. So what we do, we generally don't find out how these things are work, or a normal user doesn't need to know also how these things are working, but they need to know that this thing is working. So that is abstraction. Now how to implement abstraction and what is abstract classes and how to do abstract classes in Python is a far advanced topic. For now you understand that if you hide the implementation of the background, like how you are doing the implementation of each and everything, if you hide that, then it's called abstraction. And encapsulation, in other programming languages we have data hiding as a concept. Now in Python, as Guido, the inventor, Guido never wanted this thing, so he never mentioned about hiding the data, but we need hiding of data so that proper balance of data can be maintained, and it can be done in 3 ways. All the variables inside Python are objects first of all, and all these objects are publicly viewable. Like object of one class can be easily accessed by another class, but some may be made private and protected. So let me talk about that. So say for example your father had a pen, so that pen he uses and it is being shown to each and every one. So that's a public property of your father, or you have a pen and you show it to each and everyone. That's a public property of this pen and yours. Now, what is a protected property? Now, protected property are again father. Now, father has some important documents. Say, for example, the bank passbook. Okay, so you know about the bank passbook. Your mother know about the bank passbook. Your siblings know about the bank passbook, but the outside world doesn't know about the bank passbook, and that's a protected stuff. And what is private? Now, this ATM card we all know, and we have that personal identification number we call PIN. That's protected. That's only shared to the person whose it is. Like you have a ATM card, and that PIN is known to you, or your father has a ATM card, and that PIN is only known to him and no one else. So that's the thing. That's the thing. Like now you understood what is public. Public, which is publicly viewable. Protected, which is kept safe and known to a few persons only. And protected is something which only and only your father knows. So these are the things which you need to understand. And I have given the examples of encapsulation basically with this, like private, public, private, and protected, using two classes, using two files. One with the instance or the data members, and other with member function. So guys, the definition of abstraction and encapsulation I have written over here. Abstraction is nothing but hiding unnecessary details or unnecessary information from the user, and encapsulation is wrapping up of data members and member functions into a single unit called class. So is encapsulation. So last day we talked about encapsulation came from the word capsule. So in capsule we have a mix of different medicines. They don't react. They react on going inside our stomach, where it opens, and those medicines react among themselves and produces a new drug or a new enzyme which helps our body. I'm not a biology student, sorry for that. Now, how to implement protected? So if you write a variable like this, like normally it is public, and now to make it protected, what you do, you give a single underscore, so it becomes protected. And for private, you give double underscore, and same for the methods. Okay, so you may be asking, a constructor has double underscore before the name and double underscore after the name, so why does it happen so? So constructors and Dunder methods, like last day I have written in the notes, like Dunder methods. Dunder methods are magic methods. So we will be talking about Dunder methods. And for now you understand that yes, it is private, but it calls itself. So Dunder methods are those methods which calls itself when you instantiate an object, or you instantiate a class, or you make an object out of a class. So that's the thing. So today I have given two examples. One I told you is very simple. Like I have defined this class with the constructor which has three variables. This one is public. Public. This one is protected. This will print our YouTube channel. And guys, another announcement. Today I have applied for my own link. So the YouTube link, the channel link is now youtube.com/c/Subhra the Geek. If you write Subhra the Geek with STNG capital, it will bring you to my channel. So it is YouTube https://www.youtube.com/c/Subhra the Geek. You type it, you will get to my channel. Okay. So these are the things. So now let's get back over here. Now, so I have defined three variables. One is public, one is protected, one is private. So let me have some spaces over here. Yeah, that would be good, looking nice. Yeah. So I'm displaying it as a string. I told you, like, this plus operator is overloaded over here, and it is adding the strings, three strings, and it is printing. So I have created an object. P is equals to class name, the object name is equals to class name, and it has instantiated. So this object has all the values, name, mid, last name, and this display function will display this. So as last day, so we can access this protected methods or protected variables very easily. Just we can access using the object, and we have to just write the name of the object dot the name, that is underscore that variable. So I have defined underscore mid, I can directly access underscore mid. But this double underscore last name, it is a private method, and I cannot access it directly. It can be accessed in a single notation, which is double underscore class name underscore attribute name. So this is the way. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake over here. It's underscore class name double underscore, yeah, attribute name. Okay. So this is the way we access it. Now it will stop after it will show the name, that is Subhra. Then it will show display Subhra underscore the Geek, the channel name, and then it will show underscore, and lastly it will show an error over here. But if we write it like this, it won't show. So let's run this. I will run this twice. So it is showing an error like traceback attribute error person object has no attribute last name. So I have written the error for you guys over here, that attribute person object has no attribute last name. So we can access it, just comment it. Now this can be done by class name dot underscore person double underscore the variable name. So if we do this, now let me clear this. If we do this and run again, see, it will print all the value. So that's the thing we understood about private, protected, and public, protected and private. So this is the thing I'll talk about, and I'll talk more about it in the next class on inheritance. So guys, this is another example. I have done the same thing with help of methods, and this way if we run, we'll have the same issue over here. Attribute, okay, sorry, the class name is visible. So visible object has no attribute underscore, sorry for that. So the class object has no attribute named double underscore is not visible. So this will show the error. So let's run this and we'll comment this, and again we'll run it and it will print. So how will we do it? Underscore the class name. So object name dot underscore the class name double underscore the variable name or the method name. So see, it is giving that error. Now if we comment this out and we save it and reprint it. So let me clear this code. Yeah. So you see, you can see me was the first thing. Let me show it in the program also. So I have created an object, and using it I have called the visible function. This visible function is writing you can see me. Let me make it this is visible. Yeah. So this is visible, it will now print. So this is visible, it will be printing, and this also visible is a protected method which will be printing. So this is a public method, let me write public, sorry for that. So it's showing this is a public method, so this is visible, will be printed each and every time. This is also visible because it's a protected method, and you have the object of this class and I can access. So I told you, like, you are an object of your father, you are an instance, or your things of your father are directly accessible to you. So you can access some of the properties of your father, but those properties, if are private, you cannot access it. So it was not accessible by this line, but you can access it by special permission of your father. This special permission is granted. Okay, sorry for this. This is not. So special permission is granted by, okay, your name, the object name, you are the object over here, then underscore. So you are asking your father, Dad, please give it to me. So your father gives it to you. So he gives you his card, he gives his pin, so that you can go for shopping. It's the same concept which we apply over here. And why do we require this? So guys, say for example, at certain interval of time, you want to make a login page. So you don't need to make your password visible to other functions or other classes from which it is being called, or other files from which this file may be called. Then at that point of time, you need private members. Those variables are private and protected. So okay, So you give access to a certain limited, so you give access to the package and not outside this package. So I'll talk about packages and all. So package is, for now you understand, like a set of files, you give access to a set of files they can access, and public you can access it like any other packages can also access the public methods and public variables. So this is the thing, abstraction is basically hiding of the way which you are implementing, and encapsulation is the way is hiding the first of all, encapsulation, you understand it like this: key, you are taking the data members, the variables, and the functions, the member methods, data members and member methods, and you are combining it and making a class. So in both the cases you can see I have defined one class each. So this class is encapsulating both data members and member functions, data members and data methods, member methods, sorry, data methods, member methods. So it is encapsulating that, and after that also it is hiding the data. So this is the thing you need to understand for encapsulation and abstraction. And guys, I don't think more of abstraction is needed for the basic. So you need this at very less intervals of time. So I have not stressed over here a lot. So that's why I have made this video very small. So let me move back to my camera position and I will be talking to you. So guys, this video is not very long for this reason, that these things are not very basic and you do not need to implement it at a very basic level. You need to implement it at an advanced level. So I'll be talking about, so the next series on Python will be advanced Python, a bit on advanced Python. Now then we'll be having some uniqueness in Python. Then data science and ML, we'll be moving to data science and ML, and we will be learning a lot of things. So guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, please watch my videos, please share it among your friends, so that if you make a group studies helps a lot. So if you do that, it will help you a lot, and I'm sure about it. So guys, I would request you to please do that, like share it among the many people as you can, so that I get some views and you also get to understand a different lot of perspectives of different views, different persons, and you get to make the choices accordingly. So guys, that's it if I am not wrong for today. And guys, I am still unwell, and thank you for the 240 subscribers which we are now. And guys, I would request for some views, so please watch my videos completely. It will not only help you but also will help me indirectly. As longer as you watch, it will help me to promote my channel much longer. So that's the thing, and I'll see you on the next day of my video series. That's on Wednesday, where I'll be talking about inheritance and polymorphism, the basics of inheritance and polymorphism. Guys, don't worry if you are not satisfied with this small amount of code. The next series on a bit advanced on Python will be having each and everything in detail, merged detail, because I'll be shooting each and every video for each and every topic from near about 40 to 50 minutes each for each and every topic, so that I can explain minute points of each and every topic. And guys, this I have learned from my experience of 9 years of coding in object-oriented programming, 5 years in Java and 4 years in Python now. So guys, I would request you to please share my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please hit the like button if you like these videos, and if you have any query of any sorts, please do comment. I love to read your comments. I will reply to your comments each and every time I see a comment. And if you want any personal help from me or for any of your code, what you can do, guys, you can follow me in the on the social media handles which I have listed below. So you follow me over there. I'll be more than happy to help you with any details which you have. You just need to text me like you are from YouTube and you need this help and that help. That's enough. You'll be getting the help as much as I can and as fast as I can. So guys, don't worry, please do code, please start coding in Python. So guys, also after a few days I'll be showing some projects which you can directly write on your CVs. So that will be very good for you, I think. And those things, if you write on your CVs, will gain much more like weightage. So I'll be talking about each and everything, like how to do that and how I have cracked my interviews using and talking about those only. So we'll be talking about them very soon. No issues whatsoever. So again, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And if you are an old subscriber, please like my videos. Please share it with your friends. Please help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so that I can bring those industry professionals where we will be talking, we will be interacting and all. I will be having some podcasts and all. So guys, please do that. I will be very happy if you do that. And guys, don't worry, the codes are given below, so you can download my codes over there from GitHub page. And that's all for today. I hope to see you on Wednesday, the last day where I'll be announcing each and everything. Or I may be taking a video on Friday and I'll be announcing the progress and what are my expansion plans and what are the things which I'll be doing. So guys, thank you again. It's your host Subhra the Geek. You were watching the Learn Python in 7 Days series on your favorite channel, Subhra the Geek. I'm signing off. Bye bye.